In the illegal. In the illegal for video.
Yo, liquor vibes, liquor addy. Watch it roll, pre everybody. Enough hypocrite, don't like your daddy.
Terro done, I'm a lot the place, you know. I'm here the best review.
Me full of cash in my pocket. On my style dress a fire like a rocket. She say me dark like Gothic. Anywhere me go, me nah left him a tick. You see, pre.
It's easy, fi squeezy. We screechy, go squeezy. Oh, them. Squeeze up a chica, oh, them.
A bag of thing we want to talk about in another review here, you know. Including two bad artists. One go by the name of Skram and the next artist go by the name of Dezigner. Viewer subscriber, Skram have a single entitled Sea Breeze.
You see, pre. Girl just a blow me, sea breeze.
And Dezigner music have a single entitled Easy Squeeze.
Not because you have a green card, never you Dezigner a home.
People, you see them song there? I know nothing normal. I don't gonna know why I say that in a bit. But first, me could address the big elephant in the room. Police running pan little vibes and little addy them. And shorty have to diss up one of them wicked. I say from the year the last name when I want come rare. But listen to this, me nah put my mouth a ground and talk. Una crosses. And one bag of mix up, one bag of passa, one bag of tassa. Me love the way all shorty stand up for her kids. Some mother than sit back and say, love it man, love it. Even though that's the right thing to do, but she has stand up. Una have to try hurt me too. Una can't ramp with me pitney them. That's a very defensive mother. You see me, can sister shot here at you know? No joke. You think she shot and Ray? Go on. You're tande. What thoughts on that though? Wanna think? Wanna think the police them could deal it a little bit more better or whatsoever, show a warrant or why it does sound like a some little setup thing. Problem that play music loud. I don't know. You see me? But I think say the police them should you know, they will look more better or probably how we get the video. No. Leave it up in the comment section. Let me know think. It can be anything still. It can be the live video. Well, look at it though. It can be any little thing. You see me? And me I try figure out what could be the possible reason behind this. A Vybz Kartel of them father. And as the Kartel is say, enough hypocrite not like him. Because them a move sly, but guess what, I'm a rabbi. You see me? But viewer subscriber, I just saw the thing said. You see me? I say, them have to understand, say, them have a father were hated by the system, so them have to expect this. And them have get big, them reach 18, them reach the age of police to try antagonize them and disrespect them and deal with them away, but them thing they come with it.
Listen me, don't be no gunman. Me we do the killing and pile dead body. It's easy, fi squeezy, we screechy, go squeezy, oh them. Squeeze up a chica, oh them.
You see the artist I go by the name of Dezigner Music and the single entitled Easy Squeeze. Remember, the link for any song I'm going to play in this review, I got it down below in the description and in the comment section tag up pin. You can also follow Dezigner Music on Instagram. Is what I say? Viewer subscriber. In that song, Dezigner Music, I send a serious message to the people. If you feel like say you want the badness and they are foreigner of your green card and this the GI yard, member said easy for your man run a program pan here. You know? Member say, and they said stop, you know. You can get deeper, we can hold the same way, you know. You can take time forward back in our place, so we take time all the two, you know. Say, yo, I like message like them, yeah. No joke. And let me show you why.
Not because you have a green card, never you Dezigner a home. Bad slave empire don't like freeness, we no live a miss than a home.
Big up bad slave empire, you know the thing go. Don't take the message light. Make sure you soak it in on the brain. Yeah? Don't feel like such you're over there so the links not stretch. No, it's stretch, brother. Trust me. Your best friend will cook with pies near. All if gonna there nice state where there. You see me I say? You have to know that. People big up Dezigner Music. You see me I say? Him a do him thing and I just want the people them support him. Look out for more music from the youth, brother. You see me? Him have songs out there already. Plus, him have songs where you have to like. And that's the thing. You see me I say? And every song we are gonna like, but I feel like say him have whole heap of song where Uno I go like and tune into him thing. You see me I say? I feel like some of a spot in a dance hall. So just help him reach the goal there. Believe me, no man. Yeah, man. Go and put in the right Dezigner Music. You know the thing go. We not talk about the full song over here, so everybody know me do it already. You see me I say? So me I play a piece more, they will move on.
$7 million we are where you from, we bang a phone now. Leptospirosis a ramp with the cheese and peace him gone home now.
Me full of cash in my pocket. And my style dress a fire like a rocket. She say me dark like Gothic. Anywhere me go, me nah left him at it. You see, bring.
First, I want to say big up Frenchy Production. Zin. I'm also want to say, yo, big up Calderon. Big up yourself, Calderon. You do a major thing in a dance hall. You see me? You always find some talent from all walks of life. I don't know where you find them from, you know. But them bad, you fuck. Anybody where Calderon say bad for real. Remember me tell you that. Anyway, that now have nothing to do with me. So this is Skram. Welcome to Skram music. Zin, that single entitled Sea Breeze. And if you no feel like you rich when time you don't listen to that song, you nah no ambition. That's it. Me nah have nothing else to say to you. Cause right now me nah no money in my pocket and I feel rich as fuck. I want to tell you, you want to see me do the bossy rock. I with the blood clot you got the bus stop. Find on a taxi. Move off. Make we hear more.
Girl just a blow me, sea breeze. She say your man too soft, cheesies. Wheels them a spin like CD.
If a girl ever say soft like cheesies, I prefer you just know say that's it for you. You see me? I say you're really soft for real, brother. You see me? But if you're a subscriber, as I said, the artist go by the name of Skram. The single, it I got pinned down below. The link feed I got pinned down below in the description and in the comment section pan top. If you don't know name pin is one time you select a feature and the comment that you made. Well, you can make it and me have to pin the comment. You see me? So pin the comment to me made with the link and you just click on it. It's always there at the top. So click on it. Tell a friend them to go watch it. Tell the artist say Terro and sending over there. So Calderon say Terro review that one here. Matter of fact, him even tell me to review it. Him say Terro listen it and tell me it's on. I'm say so Calderon, look out for it. Yeah man, a bad song man. A bad song if I always get bad review. We can't go around bad song. We can't go around bad artists either. And member say him have more songs are forward. So now for stay tuned. You see me? Bad artist, Skram, big up yourself. Don't watch the 8. People are going to say this, people are going to say that. But guess what? The music business game where you choose, you have to understand that. You have to take the bad, the good, the ugly. I saw it go. You see me? People don't like you for many different reasons. And you have to accept it. You have to learn the key to that. Accept what people are forward with. All you need to do is focus on your career. Focus on putting out hit songs. Cause all of them I say can't stop you from put out hit song, you know. And you can't stop yourself, you know, if you don't record none, you know. You see me I say, if you're a subscriber, make sure you check it out. Sea Breeze. Girl them say a certain stay. You see me I say, people, who don't know the thing go. Music we love, we not love man. And from the music bad, we not gonna get them to the ears. We are gonna promote them.
Catch your style and the pattern. Check out the brands what we got on. Yeah, we ever in a fashion.